Hey, what's up, yo? I'm back down here at the spot again, and it just started snowing out here. The storm's just hitting us out here in Massachusetts, and I just wanted to run out here real quick because I've been dying for months to bring this out here. This is the FlashPup. I don't know if you can see it. The light's not that strong back here, but I wanted to bring this shit back out here. 25 cal. I got it loaded with JSB King Heavies. And those are those 34 grains. And we're back around like 75, 80 yards. We're definitely back here. I don't know if you'll be able to see the little dot of light way down in the distance. I don't know if you was able to see that, but I got a metal target down there, one of the gongs, and a couple of cameras. So let's see if I can even see and hit those shits. That's not good, being all clumsy and shit out here. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's see if I can even see it. There you are. Fucking snow's hit me right in the eyeball. Zoom this all the way in. Alright, here we go. Where is that? I lost it. I talked and I lost it. Fuck. When I find it, I'm just going for it. There it is. I hit it. I'm trying not to lose it. Where are you? Lost it again. Hit it again. That's 3. I think I skimmed that one. I kind of hit low. I shot low. But that's a hit, right? Where are you? Huh. That one was low. I heard it hit the dirt. I saw that one hit the snow. I don't know where that one went. Now all of a sudden I ain't hitting shit. I think I got one more. I I don't know where those last few shots went. Like, I don't know what happened with those. Yep, that's the last one of that. I do have another mag, but let's see where we're at on air. We're at 150. Let's see if I can get another mag going. I hit the first 4. All of a sudden I'm choking again. So let's see. Let me find that. Where are you? There you go. I have no idea where these pellets are going now. I think they're hitting low. Let's see if I fucked up the 0 for good. Because I just brought it up too. All right. Got me a hit again. I brought it up 4 more inches on that last time I changed the scope. I'm now aiming at the top of the target. I'm actually just aiming wherever on that orange target. I'm just trying to hit it. That one was short. I saw it hit the dirt. I think I got one more shot. Let's see if I can leave on a hit. Nope. Oh, I got one more. I got one more chance. I'm gonna aim high. I'm gonna aim for like the top of the log. I had no idea. And that's that. So, yeah, that's that. Let me just decock that. That was 2 mags. We are down to just about 100 bar. Like 110, but I think that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'm all covered in snow now, but I just wanted to get out here, give it a try. I'm gonna try to bring this out another time, but I just I was hoping that no one would come out here and try to, you know, brave this weather out here right now. So that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up, go pack all this shit up, go grab the targets, and I'm out. So till next time, deuces.